Fam, I'm not going to lie, fam. Today has been the proudest I've been at Manchester United the entire fucking season. We played some very fucking good football today. We played some fucking good football today. I'm happy. Now we can see the process moving forward. But this fucking referee, fam. This fucking VAR, bro. This fucking VAR. This fucking referee, fam. How's that a fucking red card, fam? How is that a red card? A yellow at best, a red fucking card, bro. And then the penalty, a fucking penalty. Yo, guys, be proud to be a Manchester United fan. Be proud to say MUFC because we're coming better. Not this year, definitely not this year. But we're coming better. We're coming bomb better.